Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. We're looking at gold today and the dollar to see what direction we're looking for the rest of the week after gold is consolidating slightly between a $20 to $30 range, and we're seeing a bit of resistance now after ISM manufacturing data later on in today's session is supposed to be a little bit more progressive than the previous reading. So is that going to halt gold and actually keep the dollar pushing higher? Well, the dollar has been very progressive in the last few trading sessions, really having some winning streaks, not something we've seen for a while on the greenback. So is this a sign of things to come where we're going to see America moving away from a recession and obviously gold traders and safe haven traders moving away from really pushing gold back to $2,000? Well, we'll have to wait and see, but for the moment let's just get on the charts. We're looking on the daily chart for gold at the moment. The yellow metal, as I said, just slightly consolidating now. Just zoom it in for a better clarification, and we're just seeing now a little bit of a high roughly about 1980, a low of 1944. So which, as I said, $20 to $30 range at the moment. So we're just waiting for the next breakout to the upside or downside. But this will just be a nice consolidation for a lot of traders just to keep an eye on at the moment. We're seeing the RSI just slightly fading in the last couple of sessions as well, giving us an indication that prices could start falling a bit lower. But like I said, we've got jolt opening jobs today, and also we've got manufacturing data coming out on obviously the all important NFP figures this Friday. But before we get to that, which direction is dollar and gold going? Are we just going to see more consolidation for now? Well, on the 4-hour chart, we're just waiting to see a little bit more of an intraday feel because, as I said, if we look on the 4-hour chart, it's looking a little bit more likely that we will have more of a slight downturn. We just take these last peaks and just put it into a slight channel. As you can see here, we're expecting another move to the downside, possibly towards the lower regions of 1940 if we do break 1950 in this session. So this is something I'll be looking out for as well if we're going to be going a little bit too low to the downside. As I said though, from the RSI perspective, it looks like price action is falling a bit lower. We're just waiting to see if there's going to be any major divergences to start boosting gold, and then we'll see what's in store for the rest of the session as well. We just take a look on the dollar while we're at it, and as I said, we are just seeing quite a progression in the last few trading sessions. On the daily chart, as you can see here, nicely moved away from the $100 area since we just dipped below that at the mid 99 area a few sessions ago. It's been very progressive. You can see all these progressive candlesticks in the near term as well. This is what's giving us more of an impetus to the upside. Now we're just trading towards the $102 area, so we're just waiting to see, as I said, for these big progressive US data figures to come out, and obviously the big NFP at the end of the week as well. Let's just take a look on the 4-hour chart. We just had it on a second ago. Like I said, since bouncing off this particular support area, we're just seeing this nice subdued channel to the upside. It's not so progressive, it's just slightly moving higher and higher, getting these higher highs and lower lows. But as you can see here, in a bit of an impulse chart now, we're just seeing these wave after wave of potential moves. We'll just see if we get another move back down to the lower region of $101 before we have another uptick and potential break of 102, and then going higher as well. So let me know what you think. Are we going to see a bit of a slide on gold and more of a progression on the dollar? Let's wait and see for the American session to open, and we'll bring you all the latest in the fundamentals and technicals on our YouTube and Telegram channels. So thank you very much for joining me today, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.